If you are looking for the best dog whistle, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1, most popular. Michael Josh 2PCS Outdoor Loudest Emergency Survival Whistles. The Michael Josh Outdoor Loudest Emergency Survival Whistle is not the quintessential dog barking whistle that you may have in mind. What makes it quite useful is that the noise it creates can reach up to 150 decibels. That said, your dog should be able to hear it even from afar. The stainless steel, dual-hole construction gives it elegance, too. It doesn't contain pee that is usually a magnet for bacteria and mold. The Michael Josh comes with its own lanyard and built-in key ring and carabiner for easy attachment to your outdoor gear. Number 2. Ortz Dog Whistle to Stop Barking. Currently classified as the best silent dog whistle, the Ortz prides itself of a variety of uses including deterrence, patrolling, repellent, behavioral correction, and training. It enjoys the trust of many dog owners. Additionally, its neat design makes it a lot more stylish to wear around one's neck. The frequencies can be easily adjusted, too. Maybe this is where the problem lies among those who say that they can still hear its sound as they may not know how to make the proper adjustments. Overall, the Ortz is a great dog collar. Number 3. SportDOG brand Roy Gonia Whistle. SportDOG brand Roy Gonia Special Whistle comes with easy-to-blow design. The original championship whistle, the SportDOG Roy Gonia Special Whistle is handcrafted and has been used to train more field champions than any other whistle. The Roy Gonia Special features a lower-pitched sound that carries farther for long-range ability. The whistle's easy-to-blow design creates effective communication while training or in the field. A great all-around dog whistle that amateurs will find as useful as the pros in training all breeds of hunting dogs. Number 4. Noopel 2-Pack Emergency Whistles. Noopel 2-Pack Emergency Whistle is another good option for you. This 2-set kit is able to reach 120 decibels and can thus be heard from great distances. This 2-piece set is made with premium quality materials including aluminium alloy metal. Its strength and durability bode well for outdoor adventures, and since it's so lightweight, it's also easy to carry. You can also use these models for dog training, and it's advised that before setting off an outdoor trip with your pups you practice using the whistles at home. This will ensure ultimate safety when it comes to all your outside adventures. Number 5. Acme Silent Dog Whistle. The Acme dog whistle comes across as one of the best dog whistles currently on the market. This is a spectacular unit explicitly designed for use on canines. It is a dog whistle model manufactured with guidance from expert dog trainers and dog lovers in general. The sound of this whistle is almost inaudible to humans but can come with an adjustable frequency feature. The Acme dog whistle is made with heavy-duty brass. A sound from this whistle travels as far as 400 yards, thus, you're assured of your dog hearing your call, no matter where he is.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.